Iceland is one of the most unique places in the world, and one of the things that makes it so unique is its legendary black sand beaches. These beaches go on for what seem to be miles and miles. Especially along the southern coast, there are beautiful ones that are very frequently visited, and that if you get the chance, I cannot recommend enough. We have a whole course on Iceland that talks about a whole road trip journey that you could take there. In that course, Johnny breaks down how these black sand beaches came to be. So here's Johnny explaining a few things about these black sand beaches.
Just north of these black sand beaches is a huge volcano called Katla. This volcano erupted several times during the last 1,000 years. During one such eruption, molten lava made it all the way down to the ocean, hitting the cold sea, which in turn cooled the lava so rapidly that it instantly broke down into small fragments of rock. Over time, these lava fragments were worn down till eventually they became granules of sand. Other than its black sand, the beach is also known for this. These columns were also formed from lava that rushed into the ocean rapidly and then cooled. According to Icelandic folklore, these were once two trolls attempting to pull down a ship into the ocean, but they were too slow, and they got caught by the rising sun, which turned them into stone. If you keep going along the southern coast, you're going to see black sand beaches nearly everywhere. This region is characterized by these very specific beaches. So you can explore any of them, and they're all quite beautiful. You can also explore these black sand beaches via a horseback riding tour, where you yourself can actually ride one of these unique Icelandic horses. You can book a tour all year round with a company like Vic Horse Adventures, and the cool thing is you don't have to have any prior horse riding experience to do this. It takes about an hour to complete, and it comes highly recommended. Black sand beaches are one of my favorite parts of Iceland, and they're definitely a major part of the geology and the visual landscape in this country. It's easy to just drive up and park and go explore for a little bit. Especially if you go during the winter, you'll often see that you're the only person on the beach.
If you get the chance to go see these, I cannot recommend it enough. It is a beautiful place and a beautiful experience. And if you are going to Iceland, I highly recommend the course that we provide on our website. I'll drop the link in the description below. Like and subscribe if you liked this, and comment a video idea if you have one for us. Thanks. See ya.